Welcome back. A new Filipino boy band is gaining a following among young audiences because of their Korean pop look and appeal. But while they don't look too Filipino, their music is as Pinoy as can be. Here's 143 with their first digital single, Merry Christmas Na.
Merry Christmas na. Matagal ko ng pangarap, Merry Christmas na may kayakap. Every year nagsisimbang gabi, praying hard na may makatabi. I thought for December nights again, ang gift ni Santa para sa'kin. But I guess I didn't do this year, cause the best gift is already here. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas na dahil sa'yo. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas because love mo ko. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas na dahil sa'yo. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas because love mo ko. Is one, and with you is where I belong. And you shine so bright in my life, para kang parol sa aking bubong. Kumukita pang mundo ko, musila kang damdamin ko. I guess I've been good this year, cause the best gift is already here. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas na dahil sa'yo. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas because love mo ko. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas na dahil sa'yo. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas because love mo ko.
Kanito, walang feeling, memes ko make a loving, drinking sang dating. Sarap na may mamita, la Christmas bonita, angel kasinta. Pag-ibig nagahari, my heart's already happy, umaga hanggang gabi.
Tayo magsiawit ng magagandang himig, cause you and I were pag-ibig. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas na dahil sa'yo. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas because love mo ko. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas na dahil sa'yo. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas because love mo ko. Merry Christmas na sa aking puso, Merry Christmas na, cause love mo ko.
All right, we'd like to welcome to mornings Anjo, Gold, Kim, and Yuki, the heartthrobs of 143. Hi guys, how are you?
Good morning.
Okay, maybe what we can do first is introduce yourselves, name, age, and dating status. Kung single or may girlfriend, okay? Start with you.
I'm Anjo, I'm 20 years old, and of course, I'm single.
Okay.
Good morning, I'm Gold, 19 years old, syempre single.
Baka single kayong lahat. Single kayong lahat. Okay, next.
I'm Yuki, I'm 19 years old and I'm also single.
Single also.
I'm Kim, 19 and single.
So, 19 and 20 years old. But let's start with the name of the band, okay? 143. Why exactly did you name it that?
143, Kim.
Oo.
Actually, 143 po, it's from, 143, which means I love you. So,
Okay.
to make it more catchy, ginawa po namin siya na parang time. So, parang 143, and then, parang time for love, parang gano'n.
Yeah.
It's
Time for love.
Yes.
That's why it's like that. Okay, but your looks are quite unique. I guess we're all mixes here. You guys are born and raised in the Philippines, but you all have mixes. What are some of the mixes that you guys have?
Well, ako, may hilahi po akong Chinese.
Okay.
Half Chinese po ako.
Half Japanese po.
Walang Korean.
Wala.
Walang Korean. But you do listen to Korean pop.
Yes, we do listen naman.
But what are some of your musical influences? Do you have any favorites that you guys listen to or that you inspire to be
Siguro
like?
more on personal preferences. Like ako, I'm more into R&B type of
Okay.
music.
Ako OPM. We love OPM.
Me, I love rock music.
Rock music din.
Parokya.
So, parokya. Specific parokya. You guys all come from different disciplines.
Yes.
And this is what makes your band very unique as well. So, let's talk about your digital single. Why did you decide to release it that way?
Digital single kasi we plan to parang trial lang on how the market will accept us since
Okay.
medyo kakaiba kasing strategy ng management namin eh. Kasi we're Oriental looking and yet we're singing OPM. Parang ang plan kasi is to, we want to capture since K-pop is really a big influence in the Philippines right now. And maraming K-pop fans dito. So parang gusto namin silang i-capture ulit and at the same time listen to OPM music since OPM talaga po yung kinakanta namin.
At saka Christmas na rin kasi.
Tamang-tama yung timing
Tama.
niyo. But
Yes,
this is
yes.
your first single.
Yes.
But do you guys have a CD? You do have a CD available already?
Yung album namin, ila-launch siya sa Feb pa.
Feb of next year.
Okay, but since this is a Christmas song, I'm sure you guys are very hot now in terms of Christmas parties or
Yes,
what
yes.
is your Christmas schedule for now if people want to go catch you?
Mamaya po nasa 1 p.m. nasa MCU po kami. 4 p.m. nasa SM
San Lazaro.
po.
At saka check nyo na lang po yung Facebook account namin, yung 143 fan page. Nandun na lahat yung schedule namin na yun.
So have your lives changed or are you still regular teens and going into your 20s?
Bit by bit.
Are you all still in school or have you decided to stop first to foster
Ako, I
the
just
career?
graduated last March.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm still studying.
Okay.
Me, I stopped for this muna.
Well, that's okay. That's okay. And
Stop din po.
okay, so what's in it for 2011 and 143?
Well, for 2011, watch out for first album launch. It will be by February. And ngayon po, we're really focusing on the Christmas season since our single is Merry Christmas Na. And I hope you guys check out our fan page. Just type 1:43, so that's 143 fan page. And you can check out every detail, lahat po ng mall tours, mall shows namin, nakalista lang po lahat doon.
At saka out na rin yung music video namin. Pwede kayong bumota sa Mix. Ano ba Yuki? Ano ba?
Just type in mix space, vote space, Merry Christmas na, and send it to 2366.
Okay, thank you very much, guys. And let's hear another song from 143. Take it away.
Gusto pa ba ang harana? Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Sino ba tong mukhang gago? Nagkandara pa sa pagkanta at nasisintonado sa kaba.
Meron pang dalang mga rosas, suot na may maong nakupas. At nariyan pa ang barkada, nakaporma't nakabaro, sa awiting daig pa ang mayos, one at sing along.
Puno ang langit ng bituin at kinamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw at sa awitin kong ito, at sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo.